Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more videos and more updates. So guys, today we'll be talking about the R workspace. So basically, what is R workspace? The objects that you create during an R session are held in the memory. The collection of the objects that you currently have is called the workspace. Let me show you. So this all collection of syntaxes or the statements which you currently have in your R script is called as workspace. The workspace is not saved on the disk unless you tell R to do so. This means that all your data, all your workspace get lost if you close R, or worse, if the system crashes. So if you have saved the workspace, then whenever you will start the R, the workspace will automatically get restored next time. So let us see some simple syntaxes to display the previous commands and to search help in R. So to display the previous commands, you have to type history brackets and then simply run this function, and all the previous commands will be restored. To display only the last 25 commands, you have to type history bracket max dot show is equal to 25. You can also display the last 35, last 45, last 10 commands. Then to save your command history to a file, that is the default file called as R history. And to do so, you have to type the syntax save history bracket file is equal to my file. Remember guys, my file is saved in my documents. Then help function. If you know the topic but not the exact function, how to search it, then you can type help dot search bracket inverted commas open. Suppose I have to search regression, then just simply run this command and you will get to know what the regression is. And if you don't know if you know the exact function but not the topic, so you can type question mark and then mean. Let me run this syntax. See now, arithmetic mean. So the window will appear in this help box and you can see what is mean. So guys, R is very interesting tool for the people who want to do the data analysis, for those who are conducting some primary surveys in their PhDs, for those who are writing paper and want to collect some first-hand information. They can do analysis using R. It's very easy in R. From next session, we'll be starting very important topic. This all are the basics. I think these all basics are clear to you. If you have any problem, you can type in the comment box and I'll definitely reply to your problem. Thank you so much guys. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.